Let me turn from there to our other big story, which is coming from Maharashtra, where clearly farmer suicides are once again making the headlines. This after in Latur, a video of a farmer went viral, which showed the growing agrarian crisis once again in the state. Left with no other option, 75-year-old Ambadas Pawar and his wife Muktabai have been tilling this land with a wooden plow. They've been doing this for several years, but now completely exhausted due to heavy rain which damaged their crop, pushed them to take loans. They, like many others, are struggling. The Maharashtra government now admits that in the first quarter alone, several hundred farmers have once again committed suicide. Take a look.
A haunting image from Maharashtra's Latur that has shaken the conscience of an entire state. In Hadoti village, an elderly farmer couple of Ambadas Pawar and his wife Muktabai have become a tragic symbol of India's agrarian distress. With no money for a tractor, no oxen to plow their field, and no laborers they can afford, they have no option but to yoke themselves to a wooden plow and till the earth with their own bodies.
10 वर्षापासून मी स्वतः खांद्यावर दूध घेऊन बायकोला कोळप धरायला लावून मी जमिनीची मेहनत करतोय तरी माझी दखल आतापासून कोणी घेतली नाही आता वाटवून कोण माझी फोटो काढून घेतली हे सुद्धा मला पत्ता नाही फोटो काढून घेऊन वरी पाठीले मग मला कळाले साहेब ह्याच्याशिवाय माणसं आल्यावर तोवर कोणी आलं नाही माझ्याकडे.
The family owns 5 acres of land, but no income, no savings and no state support. They say this is the second year they've had to do this. Their crop was washed away by heavy rains last year, the loans piled up, the help never came.
मागणी काही नाही बघा साहेब ही आम्हाला खात बी देव कर्ज माफ करावं आणि माझे 2 नात आहेत का त्यांच्या शिक्षणाचा खर्च उचलावा सरकारने माझं म्हणणं दुसरं काहीच नाही.
Their story has become a political flashpoint in Maharashtra, especially after the state government admitted on record that it was not an isolated incident. In the first 3 months of 2025, as many as 767 farmers have died by suicide, as per a written reply by State Minister Makarand Patil. Last year, Maharashtra saw 2,635 farmers die by suicide, while this number stood at 2,851 in 2023. Viewing this as a grim indictment of the government's apathy towards farmers, the opposition demanded an urgent discussion in the assembly. However, the speaker refused, leading to the opposition walking out twice, first over farmer suicides and then over pending payments to soybean cultivators.
महाराष्ट्र में किसान विरोधी बीजेपी और महायुति की सरकार है. महाराष्ट्र में कब किसानों की आत्महत्या रोकेंगी ये सरकार, कब किसानों का कर्जा माफ करेंगी सरकार, या मोदी जी के मित्रों को ही मदद करते रहेंगी ये सरकार.
जब ये सामने आया कि यवतमाल और वो इलाके में काफी आत्महत्या हो रही है, मनमोहन सिंह साहब वहां आए इन 2005-06 तो 3,000 करोड़ का 3,500 करोड़ का पैकेज दिया. तो इसीलिए बहुत प्रॉब्लम्स किसानों के है, लेकिन सरकार का उधर ध्यान नहीं है और इसीलिए किसानों की आत्महत्या बढ़ रही है.
Leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi has escalated the attack, claiming that the Prime Minister has failed in his promise to double farmers' income and is now busy in PR spin while the system is killing farmers. Rahul Gandhi's words being echoed by his sister and fellow MP Priyanka Gandhi Vadra. But the BJP claims it's a case of the pot calling the kettle black.
श्रीमान राहुल गांधी महाराष्ट्र की भूमि पर आकर यहाँ पे जमीनी हालात देखे. उनकी जब 2.5 वर्षों की सरकार थी तो खिचड़ी में पैसे खा रहे थे वे, जो कोविड काल में गरीबों को बांटी जा रही थी. कोविड काल में जो रेमडेसिविर दवा थी उसमें पैसे खा रहे थे उनके लोग. राहुल गांधी जी महाराष्ट्र के चुनाव का जोर का झटका धीरे से लगा, ऐसी उनकी स्थिति है. अपनी हार को छुपाने के लिए और महाराष्ट्र की जनता के निर्णय को डिस्क्रेडिट करने के लिए ये तकलादू, बेबुनियाद, बेताल्लुक बातें राहुल गांधी जी करते हैं.
But while politics plays on and debates rage on, The reality remains that people like Ambadas and Muktabai don't need sympathy. They need support, and they need it now. Bureau Report, India Today.